Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's see who this is from. Get the bag out of the way. Alright, we have 2 cross stitches, and this is from NewCraftDay, and the first one is called the Eiffel Tower. It is a DIY cross stitch. Let me take it out of the bag. Oh dear. Hang on, I'm trying. Some days. Holy cow, really? Okay. Jeez. They left like an inch right here. I can barely see where to open it. It does have a sticker on it, but I don't think it has the product number on it. We've had these before. Let me flip this over. Oh gosh. Oh, I was getting scared. I thought it was a, what do you call it? A counted. Because look at that canvas. I mean, well, now you can see the lines, but first I couldn't see the lines. I was like, oh my gosh, what have I done? But isn't that pretty? You got a boat, you got the Eiffel Tower, you got birds. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Kind of a pale picture, but at least the picture is clear. Very nice. And they put the paper pattern. Paper pattern will match the canvas. There's the product number, how big it is. It's a 50 by 60, 216 by 173 squared. And it has 30 colors. So we have that 154 mulberry. We have 498, no 310. 498, which is that brick red. We have 666 red. No, we have 823. 939 and 3865. So yeah, and it does have confetti parts because there's a tree here, so that means it's confetti. And then you got the stuff going on down here by the water and along the side, so it's confetti, but it does have some big rivers of color kind of sprinkled throughout it. So we'll see. Nice clear, you know, picture of your key, and you have all the colors running down the side. So that's nice. Let's take a look inside. Comes with 3 needles, and they're attached right here. And we have our thread card. Let me make sure there's a hank of number 915, which is kind of a bricky red too. So where's my, I'm looking. Here's this one right here. This is 498, and this is more of a darker brick red. So very nice. And there's that plum color that I was talking about. This is kind of a gunmetal blue. And it does have the last 4 numbers of your product number. So lots of reds, blues, grays, kind of a peach color, like a medium peach. Beautiful brown, like a golden brown. And that blue, ugh, just gorgeous. Then we have some more darker blues. Here's your 823, 939, kind of a light tan. So a nice mixture of colors. I don't see much purple. I mean, you've got kind of a purple red violet, you know, looking color. So very nice. Very, very nice. Let's just put that in the middle so we don't lose it. But I think all those colors will be quite pretty in this picture. Hang on. Oh my goodness. And it is not serged all the way around. I'm trying to get it undone. Big canvas. kind of wide, and it is very stiff. Oh yeah, there's confetti in this for sure. But nice big key along the side. There is a little itty bitty picture there, so yeah, it doesn't show too much. But very nice, very well printed. I don't see any smears, but it's just stiff as can be. Let's go across here and see. 50 by 60. So it is 61.5. And I'll show you probably why. And it is 19.25 inches or 49 centimeters. Actual size is 39 centimeters or almost 15.5 inches by 50 centimeters or almost 19.75. And the reason I said that earlier, hang on, I got to get my tape measure all wrapped up. It's a pain if I drop it and everything comes undone. I love that thing. It's made out of vinyl, so it's pretty indestructible. I've had that thing probably since my kids were in grade school. And that's been a hot moment. But like I said, it's like they didn't cut it straight. So, yeah. You can see where one began and one ended. So, yeah. So we'll see about starting that one. I'm not real tickled about how stiff that material is. It would just need to be crunched and crunched and crunch some more. All right, the next one, I am going to put a picture here. All right, and that way you get to see it. Goodness gracious. Big baggie. Ah. This is a 40 by 70. And it was $13.41. I'm not sure how much the Eiffel Tower one was because I didn't put a price there. All right, so I don't think, but I just thought this was kind of different. And this is made from the other store. It has a nice big pattern, very easy to see. It is an 11 count. So this is your product number, and it is a 40 by 70, like I said. I'm trying to get it unfolded. We have 40 colors. Very well printed. Does have a little smudge up here, but we know that that's all that blue, which is 310 black, of course. I'm looking to see if I see any more smears or smudges. Lightly right in here, but yeah. And we have more smudges along through here. Just here, there, and everywhere. But this is on the paper pattern. Does have how big it is, 147 by 276. Has a lot of black in it. But I just kind of like the way it looked. I like the colors with black and everything popping. This has 154, which is that mulberry color. 310 black. 550 purple. No 666 red. It does have 498, which is that brick red. 823. It has 823 and no 939 and no 3865. But you know, for all its smudges, just it shouldn't do this. But you know, we've had this discussion before. It's not too terribly bad. It gets a little blurry right in this area. So, never mind. Yeah, I won't be using that pattern. So, I will be letting them know. I think if we complain enough, we'll have it made. It does come with instructions on how to start, how to finish, how to do cross stitch, that most of them have. They got that part down. At least they give you instructions. Does come with a toolkit. We have a jaguar or leopard, 5 needles. Oh no, wait. Yep, 5 needles, poop ball, thimble, and needle threader. So that's good. Let's take a look at this. It does have the product number and how big it is. So let's see what we got going here. There's like, I'll say between 4 and 6 different ones that you can pick, because I can't remember. I've been one too many places and I can't remember who's got what. So sorry about that. So we got a few hanks here. So you got 3 hanks of 310 black. So that is 120 strands of 310 black. This is 154. That's that mulberry color that I was telling you about. Isn't that beautiful? Make a beautiful sampler all in a single color. I think it'd be gorgeous. Use that instead of like a vivid red. Yeah. And this is 823. But we have lots of other colors. Get everybody unwound here. So you got turquoise and like a royal blue, gold, and tan. They must be using another color for a white, color. Hang on. I'm trying. So there's your 310 black right there, and your mulberry. But we have some burnt orange and reds. 550 purple. Oh, he's kind of all stuck together there. Kind of a pale turquoise. And a vivid orange, like a neon orange almost. Just gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Beautiful. And there's some brown. It's a very nice color of brown. Beautiful colors. Beautiful colors. Let me get everybody wound up so we don't lose everybody. Because that's a lot of thread. But it is a big area, so we'll see. Let's take a look at the canvas. Canvas is kind of stiff, but it's not nearly as stiff as that first one. Just trying to get all the little ends off. There we go. Whoop. And I forgot I got my new little holder, so I've been putting it still in the pile. So let's see how well the canvas is printed. Does have product number, how big it is here. At the bottom, it's 147 by 276. So far, very nicely printed. It looks like it's got some bigger areas. It's not so confettied. You know, there's going to be confetti one way or another. But I just think it's so different. So different. It has a nice key over here. Now the stitching does go a little bit into the numbers, but that part is not affected on the paper pattern, and it will match if you need to see the actual DMC number. But other than that, the symbols are nice and big, and they're very nice on the canvas. So, yeah, I don't think there'll be a problem at all. Except with stitching all that black. Oh, God, why do I do this stuff to myself? Okay, so I'm going to have to go long ways here. We're going to get you up as high as I possibly can. All right, it is... Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, It is 72 centimeters that way, so it's 2 centimeters longer than it said it would be, by 40 centimeters. Actual picture size is 33.5 centimeters, or almost 13.25 inches, by 65 centimeters, or about 25.75. So it's kind of long and skinny, so it'll sit real well in your lap. I love that. You know, it's not too wide, you're not fighting the material. Yeah. So yeah, I just thought it was different. I really did. So you can see the whole canvas. Let me push over this way. So, like I said, it's got confetti spots. It's just not going to make it without it, you know, period. But very, very nice. Very nicely done. Let me fold that. But it's long and skinny. Another one for the end of the haul, you know. So, it'll be different. Totally different than anything I've ever really done. So, do check that out. Very nice. Now, NewCraftDay does have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by numbers. They have tools and crafts for all of them. They also have custom. They do not have a separate Joy Sunday section. And they have diamond painting crafts, and most of them are like under $5 and up to $10, you know, on your diamond painting crafts. So it's easy to pick up a little crafty project that you could do in the weekend or something like that. I don't know if they have embroidery or not. I can't remember. Or beaded cross stitch. So do check them out. Thank you, NewCraftDay, for sending me these beautiful kits. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.